Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for February. This month's theme is Full Hearts and is an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. And fittingly, the bag design is adorned with hearts. First, let's open up the Glam Bag. Inside, we have the go-to skincare, the Removalist Detoxifying Mask, Goldfaden MD Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum, MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray, Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, and the Context Skin Lipstick in the shade Hide Your Heart. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside, we have the Yensa Pink Lotus Face Cream, Byroe Fig Renewal Oil, Dodo Persephone Palette, Firma Beauty All in the Details Brush Set, and the Beauty for Real Eyeline 24/7 Gel Eyeliner Duo. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, I'm starting on skincare and trying out the Removalist Detoxifying Mask. This is a clay mask, but instead of feeling tight and dry afterwards, it's supposed to replenish, allowing for radiant skin. It has a really nice smell to it. It's kind of fruity. My skin definitely feels a lot smoother. Next, I'm applying the Yensa Pink Lotus Face Cream. This claims to brighten, depuff, and visibly firm the skin. This is a really thick moisturizer, so if you don't like the feel of lotion, you probably won't like this, but I can feel the hydration happening right away. After that, we have a serum and an oil. As a rule of thumb, you should apply products in order from lightest to heaviest. With serums and oils, that usually means applying a serum first. With that being said, let's go ahead and apply the Goldfaden Antioxidant Serum. This is meant to improve the appearance of skin tone and color while providing powerful antioxidant nourishment. Now let's apply the Byroe Fig Renewal Oil. The packaging on this is so beautiful and unique. I love how luxurious it looks. This is a nourishing dry oil that offers complete skin renewal. I gotta say, I've had high hopes for this one because of it looking so luxurious, but unfortunately, I'm not a big fan of how it feels or smells. To set my face makeup in place, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray. I already have the full-size version of this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one since I know that I like it, rather than opening up this cute little mini one. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Dodo Persephone palette. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let's swatch it. To apply the eyeshadow, I'm using the Firma All in the Details brush set, which includes the 205, 206, and 301 brushes. First, I'm picking up this beautiful sparkly shade. I'm applying this all over the lid. It's so pretty. Next, I'm grabbing this matte mauve shade. I'm sweeping this through the crease. I'm adding it to the lower lash line using the Firma 205 brush. After that, I'm taking this matte burgundy shade on the Firma 105 brush. I'm using this to create a wing effect. The next product is something I also already own. It's Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara. I love this mascara. I'm just going to go ahead and use the full-size version. Next, I'm trying out the Beauty for Real Eyeline 24/7 Gel Liner. We received two shades, Night Fever, which is a black with a rose gold shimmer, and Heaven's Door, which is a rose gold pink shimmer shade. I'm first adding Night Fever to my upper waterline to help blend my false lashes with my real ones. Now I'm adding Heaven's Door to my bottom waterline to open up the eyes and create a doll-like effect. Finally, we have the Context Skin Lipstick in the shade Hide Your Heart. Wow, what a great lipstick. The shade is beautiful, it's ultra creamy, and that pointed tip allows me to get such a sharp line. Here's the finished look using products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for February. We were able to create such a lovely date night look for Valentine's Day with the amazing products we received this month. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.